guys, hi everyone. My name is Karnataka Rd and I am from Madanpalli. It's a very nuclear place. You can find any map, which is consist of biggest Asian market. And recently I'm here passed out year. My passed out year is 2024, and after that from 2024 to 20 this year Feb 20 I was unemployed and I'm searching for a job which is more. And in the same way, as usually you have, however you have joined, however you want to build up your skills and like grow up your technology, so you grow up in a new technology, learn new technology skills and everything. As a curiosity, I also was joined in these PySpiders, and in these PySpiders there might be a person who can't able to push his limits to learn anything or to build anything his own empire or career. But after joining here, they make me a person who can build his own career and his own empire and his own, and he can able to push his limits until end. And they make me there is very good. Trust me, they will make you everything everyone as me, and they are very quality teachers who can train you very well. And as of I met some of them, so I also trained from here itself. So you can trust the PySpiders and you can build your entire thing. And the one more thing I want to say is more than trainees and learning yourself, keep to improve yourself, like everything. Try to practice yourselves and try to improve your knowledge, technical skills, and verbal ability, communication, everything. You have to train on yourselves also. More than depending on teachers and faculty, you have to build on yourselves also. So that more than keeping a 90% on them, you can able to grab 50% from as easily as it possible from your side also. So it makes you feel very light, and you feels very grateful to join in this way. So you can join and trust me. And thank you PySpiders for giving me everything. Thank you.